Welcome. Yeah, PTG on the mic. Yeah, that's part to one and that. So before that, been a mtunya ya tumbo tamba kutandara ima yesai. Okay, check palm of it. So yeah, on a serious note now, I'll always dedicate this channel to beginners, What should I think Chataboga is one day for now, to share, say I know the struggle, in Dagato Sangana Fures sitaitofunda ndega chitoteerera but kwakusina connections akawanda like these days so it's all about learning kutofunda, and I always get surprised vanotoya vachituka waya kana vanenge vachidhisa. Of course yes, zviriko pane chakanaka chakashata chinova chiripo, that's life, but I mean vamwe vachitoziva hazvisi necessary, but tisati pakudai izvozvo tongori pakuridza magitari pakutongofunda waya ipapapa, because I mean we will always be learning something new every day. It can be the next hour, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. I mean even 10 years to come, we always have to be learning this guitar. It's a journey. There's nothing like I'm 10 years qualified or 5 years, I don't know if there's such a thing. But that's how I see it. That's how I feel this long journey of learning or long journey of playing. So I know if you have waited up to this time, you might be wondering the title. Ngonagiro ndongopinda wakayembeke white kana tongoti mas Madzibaba guitar, Madzibaba mangoma tongogaya topachatopa title, something like that, so yeah, it was just for fun, but to the beginners out there, I'm gonna be creating more content. Please subscribe. I want more subscribers. We'll be 10k. I think by YouTube and I've got a really low chap like murunga mtungodongora stuff murundibira mchingoenda chikuwe subscribe, or just subscribe, be part of this movement. We are not stopping, we are actually still beginning. It's a long journey. So which part my foot this time, that's the thing about learning. Now we're in learning mode. I think I'm going to skip up by now, but on food, I'm sure you're still around. So apana kungufamba gitarika kungufamba kungufamba. You can be in one position, you can play all the front part, in that playing, same chord progression, just try to use your knowledge Like, okay, I'm on one. This one, what does this one has? What does it have? You know, what can I add to it? Just try to understand more. I mean, everyone is unique. Everyone is unique. No matter how, you can go to like maybe Daro which is right now, and then he teach you to play bass. But I don't think you can ever be like the king. You can. I'm not saying you be limited, no, but you have your own style. Everyone is unique. We think differently. The way we add these notes to this guitar, the way we think when you play this guitar, it all comes out to the sound. So it's good to learn and just understand and then polish your sound. I mean, we are also trying that. Everyone has to do that. That's how we play. So